Are you ready for your first run of the day?
Yes, man. I've waited and waited.
Well, hello everyone. Here at Never Done Projects, we are just a silly little YouTube channel. It is Tuesday afternoon, October 21st, 2025. It is actually about 12 minutes after 8, so when I read this, it's a little bit in past tense, so to speak. But we got 10 days for our first ever trunk or treat. We're getting the word out about it, so it should be okay. It should do pretty good. 11 days until our appreciation day. Be honest with you, I probably should have canceled that one because we're going to have a couple people here, don't get me wrong, but I don't know how many people really know and are going to come to it. I hope I'm wrong and everybody shows up. I have invited everybody and told everybody about it, but we don't have any flyers going out, and I've been looking for a sign to go out here at the road that says that very thing, and I still got a couple more days. I got 11, but I'd like to find me one of them road signs, you know, that go up and you change letters, and to let people know what we're doing. But we're gonna try. We're gonna do what we can. We got, like I said, 10 days for our first ever trunk or treat, and I think that's gonna go pretty good. 11 days to our first ever appreciation day. We gotta learn. We gotta learn how to do this stuff and learn how to set everything up and get the names out. I mean the word out there and stuff like that. And we got a lot to learn. But hey, like I've told y'all before, you gotta get started before you can finish it. You gotta make the first step. We're making the first step. This year might not do good, but we can build. If I sit back and wished I'd have done it, nothing ever happened. So day one or one day, so we're gonna do it. So anyway, what we done tonight is we come in here, done the live, and while we were doing the live, and like I said, I really believe Justin enjoys it. He does go a little different route than I do, but that's fine. He's enjoying himself, and that's what I want. So we did 6 p.m. live. While I got about an hour, little bit over an hour into it, and a record pulled up, pulling a truck. I'm literally pulling a record, pulling a truck with a chain. And I stepped out there and let Justin read on the live, and I stepped out there to ask them if they were okay. And he started talking about the truck, and you know, and if anybody knows me, my first thought is, hey. If it's blowed up and it's no good, you know, I might get a good deal in it. So I would have liked to got it for a little bit cheaper, but for what I got it for, I believe it'll be all right. I can sell the tires, and if I don't do nothing else, I can part it out. But it would also be another good truck. Either get it running and play with it, and like I said, Randy and I talked about lowering one and painting it all jet black one end to other, and we've also talked about putting a motor in one and doing a burnout in a truck. So I would rather drive a truck. We'll see how it goes. I don't know what we're gonna do with it. And I told him I'd buy it, and I told him I'd pay for it, and he gave me the keys in my pocket. But no paperwork's been done or nothing like that. He said he's gonna come tomorrow and get his stuff out of it and bring the title. So as far as I know, it's my truck. We'll see. So that goes into the next one, buy the truck. That's what I did. I was even nice enough to give him a ride home. And some of y'all might not believe this, but he said it blowed up. Now, I smelled antifreeze, so I figured that it blowed a hose and run hot. Figured that's what he meant. But the old man didn't have a shirt on. So I just figured that's the way they were going, but he said he took the shirt off and put the fire out on the carburetor. So I thought, carburetors, you know, that year model should have had fuel injection. but anyway, so believe it or not, I reached in the back and give him one of my shirts. I never done project shirt, so because he was gonna go in and eat while he waited on somebody. I give him a ride up here to Bojangles, and they went in and eat. Said they hadn't eaten today, so they went in to eat, and I didn't think they'd let him in with no shirt on, so I just grabbed one of the Never Done Project shirts and give it to him. So nothing else. I got my name out there a little bit more. But anyway, I give him a ride up here to get him something to eat. Somebody else is gonna come get him from there, and now I've got to make a video. And speaking of videos, I really don't have any footage. You know, I didn't do as much videoing as I thought I would this weekend. I thought I'd do more videoing at the C10 Rivals, but anyway, it is what it is. I don't have footage. I'll try to put something together, maybe some old footage or something. I don't know, and maybe I'll just do this and just do the brochure or something, the flyer or something. But anyway, I just wanted to come on here and tell y'all what our countdown, because I missed it yesterday. Tell you the countdown and tell y'all that I apologize, I don't have a lot of footage, but it is what it is. So y'all have a good day, good night whenever you're watching this, and sorry about the no footage, but yeah, I'm sorry. But anyway, can't get finished, you get started. Take that first step. Get out there and get on your projects and make yourself happy. And you know, if you got a yard full of projects, just do like me, buy another. Anyway, y'all have a good day, good night whenever you're watching this, and thank y'all. And remember, keep it silly.